Welcome. Today I will talk about how radar planes show that we live on a globe, and then flat earthers make strange sounds. Let's start this video. First of all, I want to thank all my patrons, members, donors and subscribers. All of you are important for me. Thank you very much. How radar planes is used in this tragic war is a proof of the globe. But first, flat earthers make strange sound. Oh dear.
Oi oi! Flat Bridge, Matt Leaker speaking. Live in Glastonbury. Woohoo!
Martin Leakey, who is in Glastonbury. Woohoo!
Somebody got a double flat thumbs to infinity shirt? Then within hours.
Is that the latest fashion in the flat earth cult?
Right guys, stick around. Right, we're gonna get a show underway now.
Okay, so the show is on its way. Okay, I can wait.
Quite in the corner over there, Mel. Right, welcome to the Holy Grail of the Great Reset and the Future of the Past Tour 2022, or so they say. Don't even know what year it is anymore. Flat thumbs, double flat thumbs to infinity thrice to everybody. And just to up the vibration, so they know, like, we're here basically, I want to have a little oggy. Now I only do this on special, very special occasions when I'm feeling buzzy. Okay, so today is that occasion. So I will lead because I'm a Welsh person, but don't tell anyone. All right, keep that to yourself. Okay, oggy. Oggy.
Thank you, Martin, for the show and showing us how members of the Flat Earth cult is enjoying themselves. Oh dear, let's move on to the next topic. I have in several videos talked about radar and radio system on military ships are flat earth killers. At the moment it's a war going on in Europe, a tragedy, but it also gives the opportunity to see how military aircrafts work. Normally the military aircrafts in service don't have their transponders on, but at the moment the NATO airplanes, the Swedish airplanes and so on have their transponders on. The reason to that is simple. They want the Russians and the Belarusian troops to see them, so they know that we are watching them. The same is going on at sea, but on ships they haven't turned on the transponder or IES systems. This is how the airspace west of Ukraine looked earlier today. On this site you can select to see only military aircrafts, and that's what you're seeing now. I linked that site in the description. There are constantly planes of different types circling around near the borders of Ukraine and Belarus. I will concentrate on two different planes, but it's several others out there. The first one is this one that have a call sign NATO 02. It's a Boeing E-3 Sentry. It's a AWAC plan. It have a big radar antenna at the top of it, and it's circulating in close to the Ukraine border in East Poland, and it's circulating for about 5-6 hours, and then it's another plane replace it. And it was circulating at about 30,000 feet height. And why is that? Because they see further on that height. They have a pulse Doppler radar, and the range for low flying targets is about 400 kilometers. For the mid-height airplanes it's about 650 kilometers, and high altitude a lot further. So if you look at a map over Ukraine, the line is from the plane's position to the range for mid-height planes. So they see further than Kiev in this position if the planes are flying medium high, and if they are low they almost see to Kiev. This is a plane from the Swedish Air Force, and it's working with collecting signals. So it's listening in on radio, but it's also listening on radars, so it can find locations for radars, and it collects radio communication of different kinds. Here we have it flying today. You see Sweden, the Swedish island Gotland, in the up left corner, and it's flying outside the Russian border from the Kaliningrad area, which is part of Russia. And also Sweden have a AWAC plane, a smaller one, flying a bit west of this plane. How far they can collect radio signals and so on is classified information. This one is higher up than the NATO plane. It's up at 40,000 feet, so it will collect signals far, far away. So this is two proofs that military equipment is globe killers, because if the Earth was flat, why would they need to be so high up to listen to radio signal, to look at other airplanes? It's only sensible on a globe because they are very exposed up there. So why, if it's a flat Earth, why not have a radar at the ground? Because you can have much more powerful systems if they are ground-based. Once more, the brutal reality of war are proving our globe. I have received a bit more money on PayPal, so this morning I paid 100 euros more to Ukraine. So together with you all, the channel have sent over 400 euros to Ukraine. Thank you all. I hope you liked the video. If you did, support Ukraine, become a member, support via PayPal, or just watch the videos because the ad revenue goes to Ukraine too. See you soon. Bye.